In 2012, esteemed watch manufacturer Audemars Piguet decided to revamp its classic Royal Oak design with a new generation of self-winding designs. There are many reasons why this version can be considered the flagship Royal Oak model, but before we get into the finer details of this 15400ST review, it's perhaps time to reflect on what makes the AP Royal Oak so ubiquitous among fans and collectors of luxury timepieces. We hope you enjoy this video review. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel to see more videos from us, and follow our Instagram at Chrono Hunter for daily updates. And don't forget, Chrono Hunter is the smarter way to buy or sell a luxury watch. Simply visit www.chronohunter.com to enter the details of the watch to receive multiple offers from our network of reputable watch retailers. The Audemars Piguet Royal Oak was initially conceived by the iconic watch developer Gerald Genta. Having made his name as a designer with classics like the Cartier Pasteur, Omega Constellation and Patek Nautilus series of watches, his first outing with Audemars Piguet was with the Royal Oak at Baselworld, all the way back in 1972. While the AP Royal Oak is now considered to have earned its place in the history books, it wasn't initially well received. Looking back, it's easy to see why. An avant-garde design boasting an 8-sided bezel, exposed screws, full steel construction and an integrated bracelet was practically unheard of at the time. While the Royal Oak might have eventually gone on to become Audemars Piguet's flagship watch, at the time it was considered rebellious and largely out of step with the world of luxury timepieces. There's a distinct British military flavour to the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, from the name, which is borrowed from the Royal Navy's HMS Royal Oak battleships, to the distinctive octagonal bezel. Since its launch nearly 4 decades ago, the AP Royal Oak has gone through several updates. The main difference between the 15400ST and previous incarnations involves the case size. At 41mm in diameter, the 2012 Royal Oak 15400ST is some 2mm larger than older models such as the 2005 Royal Oak 15300ST. There's also a serious difference in case proportions too. The Royal Oak 15300ST had a case measuring 9.4mm, whereas the 15400ST measures 9.8mm. which provides greater protection to the inner workings of the watch. These size differences help to give the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak even greater presence than ever before, and provides a sportier, more modern update to a watch which had largely remained unchanged since its inception. The large AP logo, which sat at 12 o'clock on the dial on the 15300ST, has been removed and replaced with a smaller AP logo and a double baton index. At the time of the 15400ST launch, the return of this double baton index delighted fans of the original vintage Royal Oak design. One of the most recognizable design traits of the AP Royal Oak is its bracelet, which is fully integrated into the case. A pair of vertical chains also run throughout the horizontal links, creating a distinct and aesthetically pleasing result. If the bracelet detail seems intricate, it's because much of the construction process is undertaken by hand, and with a single glimpse, we're sure you'll agree that the excess craftsmanship is certainly worth it. The Audemars Piguet Royal Oak 15400ST makes use of the same AP caliber 3120 movement used in the 2005 incarnation. This features a familiar gold rote engraving which can be seen on the caseback of the watch. The AP 3120 automatic movement bears 40 joules and has a power reserve of 60 hours. This self-winding movement is operational at 3 Hz, that's 21,600 beats per hour. It has a total of 280 different parts, and the 22-carat gold rotor is mounted upon ceramic ball bearings. Fans of Audemars Piguet's timepieces will be more than familiar with this caliber, as it is used in more than 100 different AP models. While conducting our AP Royal Oak review, one interesting thing we noticed was that although the overall dimensions of the Royal Oak 15400ST have increased, the 3120 movement obviously remains the same size as always. As a result, the date display window has been moved slightly closer to the center, and the extra space created has been filled with a stub. The Audemars Piguet Royal Oak 15400ST combines classic design with contemporary engineering. As far as luxury watches go, it's certainly on the more minimalist end of the spectrum. But this isn't entirely a bad thing. Minimalist watches tend to pair well with a wider variety of outfits, which means the 15400ST is a standout for those on the lookout for a timepiece for formal, smart casual and casual occasions. If you're looking to buy a luxury watch, the AP Royal Oak 15400ST is certainly a good investment. This model can command anywhere between £17,000 and £23,000 on the secondary market, depending on condition and provenance. Given that the 15400ST has been replaced with the 2019 Royal Oak 15500ST, it's likely that the value of the 2012 model, one which critics will say is still the sportiest, more accessible of the Royal Oak family, will only increase in the future. In short, now is a great time to get your hands on this iconic model. We hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below your thoughts of this watch, we'd love to know. If you would like to see more reviews from us, subscribe to our channel and make sure you press the bell icon so that you will never miss when we upload a brand new video. Follow our Instagram @Chrono Hunter for daily updates too.